Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soap sock. Sometimes you find yourself with a lot of slivers of soap that are really too small to maneuver properly, or you get a lot of samples from soap places, and again, they're kind of small to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of samples I have here. I'm just going to cut the labels off, put those to the side. And I'm going to place them in this net bag. Now this is actually already a bag that some seashells that I purchased for a craft came in, but you can make a bag by just buying some netting at the craft store and tying it off on both ends. This one is already secured on one end, so I'm just going to place my samples in there, and then I'm going to tie it off here with a ribbon. I'm going to double knot that to make it secure. And you can even put a loop so you can hang it on the hook in the shower like this. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to tie it again up here. There we go. So now I have a loop to hang it in the shower. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off this excess and this excess as well. So now you have a soap sock that serves a few purposes. Number one, it holds all those small samples or slivers in a neat little package. And also, as you wet it and rub it on your skin, the netting exfoliates your skin to make it softer and get rid of the dry skin cells. A great little project, very cheap and useful. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.